Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get ISO 16.1 developer beta 2 at your iPhones and as well as iPads. So if you still cannot get the software update notification at your device, then keep watching full video and follow the simple steps. After that you will get this at your ISO devices. So let's get started. Firstly, tap at your settings, scroll it up, tap at general, tap at software update. As appears on screen, you can see ISO 16.1 Developer Beta 2 is available for download and install. But if you cannot get this notification at your devices, then go back, open your default Safari browser, and in the search bar type here developer.apple.com. Appears on screen, you can see. Just scroll it up. Now tap at ISO 16. As appears on the top, you can see ISO downloaded option is available. Just tap at download and get your profile. After downloading your profile, again open your settings, scroll it up, tap at general, tap at software update, and get your ISO 16 developer beta 2 at your ISO devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.